In the golden dawn of the vast indigo ocean, a tiny lost seal pup named Finn drifts alone, his fur-matted eyes wide with exhaustion and loss. Spinning helplessly in confusing currents, Finn hears distant orca echoes and freezes in primal fear. From the blue depths, the powerful silhouettes of an orca pod glide closer, bringing hope into the emptiness.
Hey, little guy, don't be scared. We're here to help.
Mira creates a calm, protective bubble, while Ripple offers a gentle bubble ring. The first spark of trust begins to glow. At twilight, they surface together. Finn leans into Mira's side. Loneliness slowly melts away.
Follow the glowing lines, little one. This is how we find our way home.
Finn tumbles comically at first, then laughter fills the water as confidence begins to bloom. In the glowing kelp forest, Finn shares his sad memories and Mira answers with gentle understanding. Ripple teaches magnetic fields. Finn's small body darts through invisible lines, learning the ocean's secret language.
Well done, Finn. You are braver than you know.
A dark shark shadow passes. Mira positions herself as shield. Finn's heart races in her shadow. Finn strings his first full thank you whistle. Mira's eyes soften with quiet pride. From a nightmare of silver storms, Mira sings a low, soothing lullaby. Colors shift to warm gold. Finn leads the group for the first time. Success blooms in golden light around them.
You did it, Finn! That fish is ours now!
Hearts beat in perfect sync. Golden bioluminescence wraps the three-like family. Shark shadows circle below the pod, tightens around Finn. Fear turns to courage.
Danger! Over there!
Ripple shares his hidden fears. Finn comforts him with pure seal kindness. Through gestures and sound, Finn says he finally feels home. The pod's hearts glow warmer than ever. At dawn, a scarred great white circles, slowly old scars begin to glow with memory.
Stay close. We face this together.
Together, Mira. I'm with you.
The shark pack closes in. The pod races toward the narrow reef maze for safety. Through tight coral canyons, Finn's small size becomes their greatest guide. A shark rams Mira. Old scar reopens. Pain flashes silver across the water. Finn creates the perfect current trap. The sharks are swept into a swirling vortex of light and bubbles.
You saved us. Finn, you are family now, forever.
On a calm sunrise plateau, golden light explodes around them. The unlikely family swims toward new horizons together forever.